How to reduce notification feedback or notification voice or volume whenever you are playing any particular video game or watching a video. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can easily reduce the notifications feedback in your Android device. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply tap and open your settings application, and now under the device settings you need to scroll down until you find this option that says notifications and quick settings. Now once you have found your notifications option, simply click onto this and it will lead you to notifications and quick settings. Now from here, depending upon your device type, it might be hidden inside more settings. So simply click onto more settings, and under here you will see this option that says reduce notification feedback. When you use an app in full screen, such as when watching videos or playing games, notification sounds are softer and vibration is less strong. So if you want to enable this, simply tap onto this, and now your notification feedback will be reduced every time you are playing any particular video game or watching movies. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.